Hello, my dear students and my friends. Myself, Professor Durgesh Kumar Kotangle, Assistant Professor Computer Science, Government VYT PG Autonomous College, Durg. Today lecture is BCA Part 1, Paper 105, Web Technology and E-Commerce, Unit 4th, Introduction to PHP. The PHP Hypertext Preprocessor is a programming language that allows web developers to create dynamic content that interacts with databases. PHP is basically used for developing web-based software applications. PHP is a server-side scripting language that is used to develop static websites or dynamic websites or applications. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor that earlier stood for personal home pages. PHP script can only be interrupted on a server that has PHP installed. PHP provides a large number of predefined variables to any script which it runs. PHP provides an additional set of predefined arrays containing variables from the web server, the environment and user input. This new array are called superglobes. PHP started out as a small open source project that involved as more and more people found out how useful it was. Resume Ledford unveiled the first version of PHP way back in 1994. First, PHP is a recursive acronym for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. Second, PHP is a server-side scripting language that is embedded in HTML. It's used to manage dynamic content, database, session tracking, event building, entire e-commerce sites. It is integrated with a number of popular databases, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, and Microsoft SQL Server. Fourth, PHP is pleasingly GP in its execution, especially when compiled as an Apache module on the Unix side. The MySQL server once started execute even very complex query with huge result set in record setting time. PHP supports a large number of major protocols such as POP3, Post Office Protocol, IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, and LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. PHP 4 added support for Java and Distributed Object Architecture, COM and CORBA, Common Object Request Broker Architecture, making entire development a possibility for the first time. Sixth, PHP is forgiving. PHP language tries to be as forgiving as possible. And seventh, PHP syntax is C-like. Characteristics of PHP. 5 important characteristics make PHP practical nature possible. Simplicity, efficiency, security, flexibility, familiarity. Common use of PHP. First, PHP performs system function from files on a system. It can create, open, read, write, and close them. Second, PHP can handle from greater data from files, save data to a files. Through email you can send data, return data to the user. Third, you add, delete, modify elements within your database through PHP. Fourth, access cookies variables and set cookies. Fifth, using PHP, you can restrict user to access some pages of your website. Sixth, it can encrypting data. 7. Access cookies variable and set cookies. 8. Using PHP, you can restrict user to access some pages of your website. And ninth, it can encrypt data. PHP environment setup. In order to develop and run PHP web pages, three vital components need to be installed on your computer system. Web server. PHP will work with virtually all web server software, including Microsoft Internet Information Server (IIS). But then most often used is freely available Apache server. Downloaded Apache for free here in this site. Database. PHP will work with virtually all database software including Oracle and Sybase, but most commonly used in freely available MySQL database. Download MySQL free here, this site. PHP parser. In order to process PHP script instruction, a parser must be installed to generate HTML output that can be sent to the web browser. Hello World script in PHP. To get a feel for PHP, first start with simple PHP script since Hello World is an essential example. First we will create a friendly title Hello World script. As mentioned earlier, PHP is embedded in HTML. That means that in amongst your normal HTML or XHTML, if you are cutting edge, you will have PHP statement like this: HTML head, title, hello world, title close, head close, body, PHP echo hello world, body close, HTML code. The simple coding in here, so it will produce following result hello world. If you examine the HTML output of the above example, you will notice that the PHP code is not present in the file sent from the server to your web browser. All of the PHP present in the web page is proceed and stripped from the page. The only thing returned to the client from the web server is pure HTML output. All PHP code must be included inside one of the three special markup tags ATE are recognized by the PHP parser. Coding in here. PHP parser installation. Before you proceed, it is important to make sure that you have proper environment setup on your machine to develop your web programs using PHP. Type the following address into your browser address box: http://127.0.01/info.php. If this display a page showing your PHP installation related information, then it means you have PHP and web server installed properly. Otherwise, you have to follow given procedure to install PHP on your computer. This section will guide you to install and configure PHP over the following four platforms. Apache configuration. If you are using Apache as a web server, then this section will guide you to edit Apache configuration file. Just check it here. php.ini file configuration. The PHP configuration file php.ini is the final and most immediate way to affect PHP's functionality, just like it here. Windows IIS configuration. To configure IIS on your window machine, you can refer your IIS reference manual speed along with IIS. In capping to PHP, the PHP parsing engine need a way to differentiate PHP code from other element in the page. The mechanism for doing so is known as escaping to PHP. There are four ways to do this. Canonical PHP tag, the most universally effective PHP tag style is question mark PHP dot dot tag. If you use this style, you can be positive that your tags will always be correctly interpreted. Short open SGML style tag. Short or short open tag look like this. Short tag are, as one might expect, the shortest open. You must do one of two things to enable PHP to recognize the tag. Choose the enable short tag configuration option when you are building PHP. Set the short open tag setting in your php.ini file to on. This option must be disabled to parser XML with PHP because the same syntax is used for XML tag. ASP style tag. ASP style tag mimic the tag used by active server pages to delineate code block. ASP style tag look like this. To use ASP style tag, you will need to set the configuration option in your php.ini files. HTML script tag. HTML script tag look like this. Script language equal to PHP script close. Commenting PHP code. A comment is the portion of a program that exists only for the human reader and stripped out before displaying the program result. There are two commenting formats in PHP. Single line comments. They are generally used for short explanation or notes relevant to the local code. Here are the example of single line comments. This is a comment and this is the second line of the comment. This is a comment and this is the second line of the comment. Multi-line printing. Here are the example to print multiple line in a single print statement. First example, print int. This use the here document syntax to output multiple line with variables interpolation. Note that the here document terminator must appear on a line with just a semicolon, no extra white space int. Second example, print this span multiple lines. The new line will be output as well. Multi-line comment. They are generally used to provide pseudocode, algorithms and more detailed explanation when necessary. The multi-line style of commenting is the same as in C. Here are the example of multi-line comments. This is a comment with multi-line. Author Muhammad Mosim Purpose. Multi-line comments demo subject PHP. Print an example with multi-line comments. PHP is white space insensitive. White space is stuff U2 that is typically invisible on the screen, including space tab and carriage return end of line character. PHP white space insensitive means that is almost never matter how many white space character you have in a row. One white space character is the same as many such characters. For example, each of the following PHP statement that assigned the as sum of 2 plus 2 to the variables 4 is equivalent. Here coding is so. PHP is cache sensitive and it is to the PHP is a cache sensitive language. Try of following example. Statement are expression terminated by semicolon. Statement in PHP is any expression that is followed by a semicolon. Any sequence of valid PHP statements that is enclosed by the PHP text is a valid PHP program. Here is a typical statement in PHP, which in this case assign a string of characters to a variable called greeting. Dollar sign in greeting equal to welcome to PHP. Expression are combination of tokens. The smallest building block of PHP are the individual tokens such as number 3.14159, string 2 variable $2 contents constant true, and the special word that make to the syntax of PHP itself, like if, else, while, for, and so forth. Breaks make block. Although statement cannot be combined like expression, you can always put a sequence of statements anywhere. A statement can go by enclosing them in a set of curly breaks. Coding in here. So, running PHP script from command prompt. Yes, you can run your PHP script on your command prompt, assuming you have following contents in text.php file. Now run this script as command prompt as follow: php set.php. It will be produced the following result: hello PHP. Hope now you have basic knowledge of PHP syntax. PHP variable types. The main way to store information in the middle of a PHP program is by using a variable. Here are the most important things to know about variable in PHP. All variables in PHP are denoted with a leading dollar sign. The value of a variable is the value of its most recent assignment. Variables are assigned with the equal operator with the variable on the left hand side and the expression to be evaluated on the right. Variable can but do not need to be declared before assignment. Variable in PHP do not have intrinsic type. A variable does not know in advance whether it will be used to store a number or string of characters. Variable used before they are assigned have default values. PHP does a good job of automatically converting types from one to another when necessary. And last, PHP variables are Perl-like. PHP has a total of 8 data types which we use to construct our variables. First is integers, are whole numbers without a decimal point like 4195. Second, doubles are floating point numbers like 3.14159 or 49.1. Third, booleans have only two possible values, either true or false. Fourth, null is a special type that only has one value, null. Strings are sequence of characters like PHP support string operations. Fifth, sixth, array are named and indexed collection of the value. Object, same, are instance of programmer defined classes which can package up both other kinds of value and function that are specific to the class. 8. Resources are a special variable that hold reference to resource external to PHP such as database connection. The first 5 of simple type and the next 2 array and objects are compound. The compound type can package up other attributes value of arbitrary the type whereas the simple type cannot. Integer, they are whole number without a decimal point like 4195. They are the simplest type. They correspond to simple whole numbers, both positive and negative. Integer can be assigned to variables or they can be used in expression like so. Int variable equal to 1 2 3 4 5, another int equal to 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 5 like in here. Integer can be in decimal base 10, octal base 8 and hexadecimal base 16 format. Decimal format is the default. Octal integer are specified with the leading 0 and hexadecimals have a leading 0x. For most common platforms, the largest integer is 2 steric 31.1 or 2.2147483 and the smallest most negative integer is so in here double. They like 3.14159 or 49.1 by default double print with the minimum number of decimal places needed. For example, the code in so here. Boolean, they have only two possible value, either true or false. PHP provide a couple of constant especially for use of booleans, true and false, which can be used like so. If true, print this will always print, else print this will never print. Interpreting other types of boolean. Here are the rules for determine the truth of any value not already of the boolean type. First, if the value is a number, it is false if exactly equal to 0 and true. Otherwise, if the value is an string, it is false if the string empty has 0 character or is the string 0 and is true otherwise. Value of type null are always false. If the value is an array, it is false if it contains no other value and it is true otherwise. For an object containing a value means having a member variable that has been assigned a value. Valid resources are true, although some functions that return resources when they are successful will return false when unsuccessful. Don't use double as boolean. Each of the following variable has the truth value embedded in its name. With it is used in a boolean context. So in here the number true num 3 plus 0.14159, true string triad and true array 49 an array element, false array function, false null, false num 999 minus 999, false string comma. To be continued in other lecture.